This video is all about creating a cost-effective DIY solution to make your multimeter rechargeable, saving you money and eliminating the hassle of constantly replacing expensive batteries. Open up your multimeter case carefully. Locate a suitable spot inside the multimeter to install the boost converter. Connect the module's input wires to the multimeter's power source terminals. Please ensure you make all connections as demonstrated in the video. Detailed connection diagrams are available for download through the link provided in the description below. Connect the module's input wires to the multimeter's power source terminals. Adjust the module's output voltage to 9V using the adjustable settings suitable for your multimeter. Secure the battery and the module in a way that it fits inside the multimeter case without causing any interference. After ensuring that all connections are done properly, proceed to connect the charging supply to the module. A built-in LED will indicate whether it's functioning normally or not. Once everything is securely connected and in place, carefully close the multimeter case. Turn on your multimeter and ensure it works correctly with the new rechargeable setup. In the end, you'll have a multimeter that requires no frequent battery replacements. Enjoy the convenience. The input voltage range of the module is 3 volts to 8 volts, and the output voltage range is adjustable from 3 volts to 24 volts. For this project, we have adjusted the output voltage to 9 volts, suitable for your multimeter. You can adapt the output voltage to match your multimeter's requirements. Please note that the LED is not externally visible in this project, but you have the option to solder another LED to the meter's casing to display the charging status. You can find detailed module specifications in the video description. We have used a 3.7 volt 500 milliampere-hour battery for this project, which fits well in your multimeter.